Strange sounds have been heard from the skies for many years now, ranging from the Americas through to Europe and Russia, and people have many theories of what this could actually be. Some people think that it could be the end of the world coming. This could be the calling for the second coming of Jesus himself. Some people think it could have something to do with aliens and government weapon testing, or some people think it has something to do with the lithosphere of the Earth's crust, where it breaks down and the tectonic plates and the tops of the mountains like scrape against each other, but it's never been confirmed. So it's just theorizes, and I have a compilation here of videos, so I'm just gonna like play the compilation and you guys tell me what you guys think and what your theories could be, what you actually think it is, and I'll be greatly appreciated to see like what your guys' theories are, and I'd like to see that. And yeah, check this out.
Feel that? I can feel it. Yeah. It's like earlier. I don't know. But it sounds like it's like, I don't know. I can actually feel it vibrating. Really? It's like this hum. Yeah. You guys see that too?
Sounds like, oh no, in the sky, hard to see, really hard to see. Like fucking just all clouds too.
¿Qué es esa picha? ¿Qué es esa picha? Esa picha, ¿no?
I have no idea what the hell they are. It's rattling the earth around here. We're in Long Island. January 18th. And it's fucking loud. You hear that? You hear that shit? Fuck is that shit?
What?
I have no idea. Like, it's coming straight out of the sky. What is that? This is for all you YouTube people. You hear that?
Definitely some creepy and interesting sounds, and they sound like they come from the sky. I mean, some people think it's from the earth or whatnot. I mean, it's heard like, I don't know, it's very hard to explain. Personally, I think it's coming from the sky. I just honestly don't know what it is, and it's fascinated me. It's been going on for like a decade now that people have been hearing these weird sounds. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, please leave me a thumb up, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.